Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing aromatics. Chop 1 onion and 2 tomatoes, mince garlic and ginger. Heat 2 tablespoons oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and a bay leaf to bloom flavor. Once they sizzle, add the onion and sauté until light brown so sugars develop. This is crucial for depth. Then add ginger garlic paste and stir. Let raw smell cook off. Add turmeric and red chili. These early spice toasting steps build the curry's backbone, so keep heat moderate. Once the onion is golden, add the chopped tomatoes and cook until pulpy, about 6 to 8 minutes, so acidity softens and oils separate. You can blend this into a smooth masala for a velvety sauce or mash it in the pan if you prefer rustic texture. Either way, you concentrate flavor. Then return to the pan, add washed peas, fresh or frozen, and 3/4 to 1 cup water. Simmer gently for 8 to 10 minutes so peas cook through and absorb the masala taste. You now add 200 to 250 grams of paneer cubes. If firm, lightly pan fry first for texture, then return to curry and simmer 4 to 6 minutes so paneer soaks flavor. Once done, stir in 1/4 cup cream or a pinch of kasuri methi for rounded richness and aroma. Taste, adjust salt and a squeeze of lemon to brighten. If the curry is too thin, simmer uncovered. If too thick, add 2 tablespoon water. Tip: if peas stay hard, simmer longer with lid on and check water level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.